Hey, and welcome back to Vibe Design. This time I thought I'm going to try something a little bit different. Let's see if it works out great, okay? So I'm going to try two tools. The first one you see here is Bolt.new, and the second one is a local Israeli one called Base 44. I'm going to try something a little bit crazy. I'm going to put the same prompt on both of those and see what happened. The prompt is build me a website for a venture capital fund called TBD Capital, who has one managing partner called Royi Benyossef. That's me. You can take the description and picture from his LinkedIn profile right here. The website should have four tabs on top labeled About, Portfolio, Team, Value Add, and Contact Us. The Contact Us tab should lead to a page where you can send a message and also upload a deck in a PDF file, and it will create the summary of the company from the deck. Let's see, we're putting it in Bolt, we're pressing and it asks us to sign in with Google. In the meantime, I'm going to do the same thing on the base 44, see what happens. Same prompt, exactly the same. Same thing with base 44, it wants to continue with Google. So Bolt is thinking and it's building a bunch of stuff. Base 44 is also building, editing layout. Let's see, not who finishes first, but let's see how different the result is. And let's see if it does everything that I want it to. Now you can see that Bolt is showing you as it writes the code, which is a very good experience because stuff is moving. Base 44 seems to be stuck, even though I'm sure it is working. I think it's more of a user experience thing. Looks pretty good. TBD Capital, partnering with extraordinary founders to build the future. I didn't ask it to write that. Go to our portfolio. I didn't ask it to have an action. Let's see what it does. Look at that. Added companies that it created, which is kind of funny because I don't think that they're real. Let's see the About Us. Our investment philosophy. That's hilarious. Let's see if it got the information on team. So no, it put in three generic people. Oh, but it did state Royi Benyossef as a managing partner. And it did take information from my LinkedIn, which is impressive, but it didn't take the image. Let's see if I can change that. Let's try. Okay, let's upload a picture of me. Place this as the picture for Royi Benyossef. See what happens if he recognizes it. It's editing the team page, which is the right page to do it. I love that he said that Royi is passionate about working with founders on the earliest stages to help them refine their vision. It's amazing how much they make up, but it sounds like a VC. So I like that. Yeah, put my face a little bit crooked, but they put my face. Let's see if the contact us works, by the way. So John Doe, message, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you can upload a deck. So let's try and upload a deck. Oh, Zen pitch deck, company that I don't remember. Analyze deck. Error calling integration invoke LLM. So it didn't work out that great, but let's try resolve with AI. That's interesting. Okay, let's go back to the contact us. Let's try analyze deck. Deck summary. Zen Acoustic is a startup. Okay, that's probably confidential information, but it looks like a good summary of a company. Now let's see here. There's something that looks like mobile. Look, the deck. It built a website that's also for mobile, which is impressive. Very cool. So it's for web and mobile. Let's go back to Bolt. Look at that. It was just there. So I have a problem with the colors a little bit because you can't see everything, but we can change that. It did put in everything that we wanted them to. Let's see team. They put me as a managing partner as I asked, took information from my LinkedIn, and then added a bunch of people that I don't know, which is funny. In the mail to it, created an email with my name at tbdcapital.com. That's so funny. Just thought of all the little details. Let's see in the contact us if it did what I asked it to. So I'm going to upload the same deck just to see if it creates a summary. I'm not going to show you the summary because it's an actual deck for a company that asked for my help. The company appears to be develop an AI-powered platform for optimizing supply chain operations. So you can see that these are very, very powerful tools. We got, let's see the portfolio companies. They also added a bunch of bogus portfolio companies, but that's funny. I love the movement here. It's way crisper than the base 44. Even though the base 44 did everything that I wanted to, it's a little bit more static. So I love this thing. As we can see, these are very, very potent tools that allows you to do stuff that you didn't think. One thing that you can see here is what's responsive mode. Oh, there's also a mobile website in Bolt as well, which I didn't think about that. That's impressive. You can also change the kind of phone, which is nice. So what do you think? Anything that you would try and add or do differently? Let me know in the comments.